Welcomes back. Here's EasyTalk Corner channel. Come and speak English together. This video is for beginners who start learning English. If you want to know how to speak English fluently, watch until the end. Everyone likes speaking English like a pro, but they hesitate to learn. Today, we will learn about easy ways to start learning English. So, let's start. Part 1. Ask yourself, why do you learn English? Or, why is necessary for you? You should know what opportunities you can get on the way you are going. Firstly, English is an international language.
So, if you dream of studying in another country, you must learn English.
We use it for work to communicate with each other. We use it for traveling. We use it for study. We use it for communication. If you know English, many doors will open for you. Part 2. Start small. You don't need to wait perfect time, just start small step. A small step can lead you to success. Start saying simple sentence like, hello, hi, how are you today? I'm fine, I'm good. What's your name? My name is Ivy and you. Next. Don't try to learn too much in one day. For example, try to learn 10 words in a day. And use it in your real life. Don't stop learning new words. Start to learn easy words. Example. About fruit. Animals. Kitchen tip. Part of the body. Something like that. Thanks for watching part 3, will come next.